In this video, I will be talking about Bitget Launchpad Allocation. Join the ZZZ Net Buying Competition and win reward for the next Launchpad Allocation. So there is an upcoming Launchpad on Bitget. So you have to follow this instruction for you to be able to get free Launchpad allocation on this token Launchpad. So user who reach net buying volume of orange dollar USDT or more in ZZ USDT spot trading on Bitget, margin trading, strategy trading, copy trading, etc. are not included. Will be ranked based on their net buying volumes, and the winner will get rewards from the allocation of the next Launchpad project. Here is if you want to register now. I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to register on this campaign right here, this competition buying net buying competition. And right here, I'm going to also leave this article link in the video description so you can check it out. Competition duration 6 May 2023, 6 o'clock p.m. May 16, 2023, 6 p.m. UTC time. Rewards based on the net buying ranking. First place, 1% of the token allocation of the next Launchpad project in airdrops. Second position, 0.5% of token allocation of the next Launchpad project in airdrops. Third place, 0.5% of the token allocation of the next Launchpad project in airdrop. First position to 10th position, 1000 BGB each. So if you are among these 4 to 10th position, you will receive this 1000 BGB each. So promotion rule: net buying volumes, selling volume. 2. User must complete KYC verification to be eligible for rewards. I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to create your account and verify your account with Bitget, so you will be able to participate in this campaign. 3. Market maker, VIPs, and API trader are not eligible. 4. The BGB reward will be distributed to the winner's Bitget account within 7 working days after competition ends. Rule 5. User that committed fraudulent actions such as operating multiple accounts from the same IP address will be disqualified from the reward. 6. Bitget reserves the right of final interpretation of the event rule, and I'm just going to leave this link of this article in the video description for you to be able to go through this article, and that's all you need to know about this net buying competition on Bitget. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to not miss crypto update or any launchpad or airdrop on my channel on how to make money with crypto. And let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and let me know about any other video you want me to make on this channel. I'm going to see you in the next video.